Next topic is create a depreciation key. Create depreciation key. Create a depreciation key. AFAMA. Create these 6 keys. Create these 6 keys. Already you noted, right? Yeah. Transaction code AFAMA. Same path. Same path. Same path. Same path. Click on new entries button. Click on new entries button. Depreciation key LTE0 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 0% or no depreciation key. No depreciation key. No depreciation key. Click on assignment of calculation methods. Click on assignment of calculation methods. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Depreciation type ordinary depreciation. Depreciation type ordinary depreciation. Phase phase from the start of the depreciation. Phase from the start of depreciation. Base method. Base method. Base method. LT2 percentage base. Percentage base. Declining balance method. LTE. Declining balance method LTE. Factor percentage method. Period control method LTP. LTP. Multi-level method. Multi-level method LTF. LTF. Enter and save. Enter and save. Select back. Select back. Select click on new entries. Click on new entries. Depreciation key LTE1. Depreciation key LTE1. Useful life method. Depreciation key. Depreciation key for LTEL. LTEL. Useful life method depreciation key for LTEL. Enter. Click on assignment of calculation methods. Click on assignment of calculation methods. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Depreciation type ordinary depreciation. Depreciation type ordinary depreciation. Phase from start of depreciation. From start of depreciation. Base method LT1. Base method LT1. Declining balance method LTE. Declining balance method LTE. Period control method LTP. Period control method LTP. Multi-level method. Multi-level method LTA. LTA. Class other depreciation. Class other depreciation. Press enter and save. Press enter and save. Select back. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Depreciation key LTE2. LTE2. 5% SLM method depreciation key. 5% SLM method depreciation key. Click on assignment of calculation methods folder. Click on assignment of calculation methods folder. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Depreciation type. Depreciation type. Ordinary depreciation. Phase from start of depreciation. Phase from start of depreciation. Base method. Base method LT2. Base method LT2. Declining balance method blank. Not required, sir. Percentage case. Declining balance method, it will not work, right? Just to check the yesterday notes. Declining balance method blank. Period control method LTP. Period control method LTP. Multi-level method LTB. Multi-level method LTB. LTB 5% SLM key. Class straight line depreciation. Class straight line depreciation. Save. Select back. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. LT3. LT3. 5% WDV. Written down value method depreciation key. 5% written down value depreciation key. Here we maintained first WDV, next SLM. 5%, right? We created multi-level method sequence, but here depreciation key we are creating sequence SLM 5%, WDV 5%, next 10% SLM, WDV 10%. Click on assignment of calculation methods. Click on assignment of calculation methods. New entries. New entries. Depreciation type ordinary depreciation. Ordinary depreciation. Phase from start of depreciation. From start of depreciation. From start of depreciation. Base method LT2. Base method LT2 percentage base. Declining balance method blank. Period control method LTP. Period control method LTP. Multi-level method LTD. Multi-level method LTD. Class declining balance depreciation. Class declining balance depreciation. Center. Save. Sir, written down value method other name is declining balance method. Okay. Select enter and save. Select back. Click on new entries. Depreciation key 10% SLM. 10% SLM method depreciation key. LT4 the SLM method. Click on assignment of calculation methods folder. Click on assignment of calculation methods folder. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Depreciation type. Depreciation type. Ordinary depreciation. Phase from start of depreciation. Phase from start of depreciation. Phase from start of depreciation. Base method LT2. Period control method LTP. Period control method LTP. Multi-level method LTC 10% SLM. 10% SLM. Right? Class straight line depreciation. This is just a classification. No importance of this is just a classification. If someone is saying what is this? This is a straight line method. Save. Save. Select back. Select back. New entries. Depreciation key LTE5. LTE5. 10% to WDV method. 10% to WDV method. Click on assignment of calculation methods folder. Click on assignment of calculation methods folder. New entries. New entries. Depreciation type ordinary depreciation. phase from the start of depreciation, phase from start of the depreciation, base method LT2, base method LT2, period control method LTP, period control method LTP, multi-level method LTE, 10% to WDV. Plus declining balance depreciation. Enter and save. Enter and save. Enter and save. Right? Select back. Select back. Select depreciation key LTE0. Select depreciation key LTE0, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. Click on activate. On activate. It is simple. Select depreciation key LTE0, LTE1, LTE2, LTE3, E4, E5. Sir, what is the status now? Inactive. Just to be saved. Okay. Now we have to activate. Okay. Select depreciation key LTE0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click on activate button. Click on activate button. Click on activate button. LTE0. This is okay. Ignore the messages. Press enter. Ignore the messages. Press enter and save. Ignore the messages. Press enter and save. We completed fifth step, right? We completed the fifth or fourth step. Next one, fifth step. Fifth step, define all other fixed asset basic configurations. Define fixed asset basic configurations. Basic configurations. First step, specify posting keys for asset accounting. Specify posting keys for asset accounting. Asset accounting postings. Asset accounting postings. Note down the path. Financial accounting. Asset accounting. Asset accounting. Integration with general ledger accounting. Integration with general ledger accounting. Specify posting keys for asset postings. Specify posting keys for asset postings. Double click on transaction ANL asset posting. Double click on transaction ANL, asset posting. Observe the debit posting key 70, credit posting key 75. Observe debit posting key 70, credit posting key 75. Enter and save. Enter and save. Enter and save. Next step. Second step. Specify document type for posting of depreciation. Specify document type for posting of depreciation. Up to integration with the general ledger accounting, same path. Up to integration with the general ledger accounting, same path. Post depreciation to general ledger accounting. Post depreciation to general ledger account. Post depreciation to general ledger account. Specify document type for posting of depreciation. Specify document type for posting of depreciation. Double click on specify document type for posting of depreciation. Double click on specify document type for posting of depreciation. Company code LTEL. Depreciation document type AF. Company code LTEL. Depreciation document type AF. Save. Depreciation document type AF. Save. AF. Depreciation posting. FI document type. Save. Third step. Specify intervals and posting rules. Specify intervals and posting rules. Specify intervals and posting rules. Same path. Same path. Transaction code OAYR. Select company code LTEL. Select company code LTEL. Click on posting rules folder. Click on posting rules folder. Select depreciation area 01. Click on depreciation area 01. Book depreciation. Click on depreciation area 01. Book depreciation. Sir, here, okay, we have to select, okay, what is depreciation period execution, whether monthly you are executing the depreciation or every 2 months you are executing the depreciation, quarterly executing the depreciation, semi-annual executing the depreciation or annual executing depreciation, okay, or if you want to execute the depreciation, okay, any specific period wise, example every 4 months, then select expert mode, enter period intervals 4 months. Every 4 months I'm going to execute the depreciation. Following, right? Yes. Select monthly posting. Select monthly posting. Select monthly posting. Enter and save. Select monthly posting. Enter and save. Click on next entry button. Click on next entry button. Depreciation area 20 CO depreciation. Depreciation area 20 CO depreciation. Year example, I am executing every 2 months. Okay. Select bi-monthly posting. Okay, every 2 months. Okay. Not sequential. Monthly meaning it is a sequential. Okay. Bio-month meaning non-sequential. Okay. Next month. It is a sequential only, but next to next month. See, it is updated period interval every 2 months. It will execute the depreciation. If you select one here in period interval, it will update one. Every period will execute. Every 2 periods will execute. Every 3 periods will execute. Right? Bio-monthly posting. Enter and save. Enter and save. So now 01 depreciation area. Depreciation will post monthly. 20 depreciation area. Depreciation will post every 2 months. Okay, every 2 months. Save. 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 Next one. Set chart of depreciation. Set chart of depreciation. OAPL transaction code is. Transaction code is OAPL. Set chart of depreciation OAPL. Okay. Path. Asset accounting. Path. Asset accounting. Valuation. Valuation. Set chart of depreciation. Set chart of depreciation. Select chart of depreciation LTCD. Enter. Select chart of depreciation LTCD. Enter. For default chart of depreciation updation. For default chart of depreciation updation. Next step. Define screen layout for asset depreciation area. Define screen layout for asset depreciation area. Note down the path. Asset accounting. Asset accounting. Master data. Asset accounting, master data. Screen layout. Screen layout. Define screen layout for asset depreciation areas. Define screen layout for asset depreciation areas. Select 1000. Select screen layout 1000. Click on copy button. Click on copy button. Screen layout LT. 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 SL. LTSL. LTSL. Depreciation area. Screen layout. Depreciation area. Screen layout. Enter and save. Depreciation area. Screen layout. Select screen layout LTSL. Select screen layout LTSL. Click on field group rules. Click on field group rules. Observe the asset master data. Observe the asset master data. Depreciation. Asset master data. Depreciation tab. Depreciation tab. Complete fields with status. Complete fields with status. Complete fields with status. So see here, depreciation key, useful life, ordinary depreciation, special depreciation. So all the fields, these fields belongs to depreciation tab, asset master data, depreciation tab. Depreciation key required. Sir, you already aware what is mean by required, optional, suppressed, display, right? Depreciation key required. Select all checkboxes. Select all checkboxes. Select useful life. Select useful life required. Select useful life required. Remaining all optional. Remaining all optional. Remaining all optional. Depreciation key required. Depreciation key required. Useful life required. Ordinary depreciation. Remaining all fields are optional. Okay, remaining all fields select optional. Select all checkboxes. Okay, first checkbox is class, asset class checkbox. Second checkbox is asset main checkbox, asset subnumber checkbox, asset copy checkbox. Enter and save. Enter and save. So down also we have the fields. Select these fields are optional. Okay, all the fields remaining other than these two. For just our testing purpose, I selected depreciation key and useful life required. Okay, remaining other fields either 19 or 20 or 30 or 100. Remaining other fields to select optional. Enter and save. Select back. Next step. Determine depreciation area in asset classes. Next one. Determine depreciation area in asset classes. Determine depreciation areas in asset class. Path. Asset accounting. Asset accounting. Asset accounting. Valuation. 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 Determine depreciation areas in asset class. Determine depreciation areas in asset class. Sir, we have some asset classes, right? Yesterday we created some asset classes, right? Asset class. Asset class. Yeah. LT1, LT2, LT3, LT4, LT5, 6, 7. Okay. Select asset class LT1. Select asset class LTEL1. Click on depreciation areas folder. Click on depreciation areas folder. Deselect. Deselect. Deselect all the depreciation areas. Deactivation checkbox. Deselect all depreciation areas. Deactivation checkbox. Deactivation checkbox. Select each depreciation area wise. Screen layout LTSL. Screen layout LTSL. Screen layout LTSL. LTSL. Press enter. Sir, in LTSL level, we selected depreciation key is a mandatory and useful life is a mandatory, right? This screen layout level, we selected depreciation key will be mandatory field, useful life will be mandatory field. See, it is updated with mandatory checkbox, mandatory mark. Okay. Select depreciation key. Select depreciation key. So we created land, right? This is LTEL1 land. Okay, land case no depreciation, right? Select LTE0 depreciation key LTE0 life also mandatory. Example useful life 9999. Useful life 9999. 9999. Okay, depreciation key LTE0 useful life 999 simple 999 999 years. It's a mandatory field, that's why I am selecting the useful life. Land case there is no useful life, right sir? Land case there is no useful life, but I am maintaining 1000 years, right? Save. Why are you maintaining? Then there is no useful life case. Why are you maintaining? Because this field is mandatory field. Without filling any value, it will throw the error. That's why I'm filling maximum value. Okay, there is no impact. Even though I'm filling the value, but there is no impact. Save. Select back. Select second asset class LTEL2. LTEL2 buildings. LTEL2 buildings. LTEL2 buildings. Click on depreciation. Click on depreciation areas folder. Okay. Select to deactivation, remove deactivation checkbox. Remove deactivation checkbox. Sir, this is a building, right? Example, I'm using the useful life depreciation key. LTE1. Example 50 years. LTE1 50 years. Useful life, building useful life is 50 years or 100 years. I'm maintaining 50 years. Useful life 50 years. Following, right? Press enter, save. Press enter and save. Select back. Select asset class LTEL3. Select asset class LTEL3. Machineries. LTEL3 machineries. Click on depreciation area. Click on depreciation area folder. Click on depreciation area folder. Same. Remove the checkbox. Select the layout. Select the layout. I'm using different LTE2. Same 50 years. Right, sir? What is LTE2? 5% SLM, right? Save. Save. Select back. Next. Select asset class LTEL4 furniture. Asset class LTEL4 furniture. Click on depreciation areas folder. Okay. Remove all checkboxes. Example depreciation key LTE3. LTE3. Life same 50 years. LTE3 is 5% WDV, right? I'm maintaining 50 years. Later will change. Okay. Back. Select asset class LTEL5. Select asset class LTEL5. Click on depreciation areas folder. Click on depreciation areas folder. So same, remove the checkbox. Select the layout. Here I am using the one more depreciation key. We created multiple, right? Each asset class wise I am using different. Okay. LTE4 10% SLM. LTE4 50 years. LTE4 50 years. Next one. Select back. Select asset class LTEL6. LTEL6. LVA. Low value asset. Low value asset. Click on depreciation areas. So here use the useful life method key. Use useful life method key. Huh? E1. LTE1. Useful life 0. Periods 6 months. In 6 months I am going to depreciate this. Within 6 months. Only 6 months is a useful life. This asset. Following, right? It is a very low value asset. I am depreciating within 6 months. Within 6 months. LTE1. 6 periods. Useful life is 0. Useful life is 0.6. 6 months. Right? Enter. Select back. Select asset class LTEL7. Select asset class LTEL7. Click on depreciation areas. Click on depreciation areas folder. So this is AUC asset, right? What is AUC depreciation percentage? No depreciation. Okay, select no depreciation key. Select no depreciation key. What is no depreciation key? LTE0. LTE0. Useful life. Select 999. 999. It is a mandatory field. That's why I am selecting 999. Useful life. Enter and save. Enter and save. 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 Next one, seventh step. Specify rounding of net book value and depreciation. Specify rounding of net book value and depreciation. This step, options will round off the decimals. This step will round off the this step will round off the decimals 0.1120 decimals, decimal places round off. Okay. Up to valuation same path. Up to valuation same path. Amount to specifications. Amount to specifications. Specify rounding of net book value depreciation. Specify rounding of net book value depreciation. Enter. Select company code. Select company code LTEL. Select company code LTEL. Click on rounding specifications. Click on rounding specifications. Double click on 01 book depreciation. Double click on 01 book depreciation. Select automatically calculated depreciation. Select automatically calculated depreciation. Select arithmetic rounding. Mathematical rounding. Select mathematical rounding. So this one already we are aware. Okay. 0 point or example 56 51.567. Okay. Third decimal it will round off. Okay. What is the mathematical formula? If third digit is more than 5, then it will add to previous digit. Okay. If less than 5, then it will be same. Right? Yeah. In case if you select the always round up, it will add 1. Always down, it will down 1. Right? And if you select the arithmetical rounding, same mathematical formula will follow. Right? Yes. Enter and save. Click on next entry. Click on next entry. Other depreciation areas also maintain same. Click on next entry. Other depreciation areas also maintain same. Other depreciation areas also maintain same. This is 15, sir. 15 maintain same. 20 maintain same. 81 maintain same. 82 maintain same. 83 maintain same. 91 maintain same. 92 maintain same. 93 maintain same. Same. Following, right? Following, right, sir? Yes. Next one. Number 8. Number 8. Specify maximum amount for low value assets. Specify maximum amount for low value assets plus asset classes. Same path. Same path. Step 1. Specify LVA asset class. Specify LVA asset class. Specify LVA asset class. What is our LVA asset class, sir? What is our LVA asset class? Select asset class LTEL6. Select asset class LTEL6. 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 Click on low value asset check folder. 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 Select each depreciation area wise. Low value option 1. Value based on maximum amount to check. One, value based maximum amount to check. Value based maximum amount to check. Okay, 1, value based maximum amount to check. Back, double click on step 2. Step 2, specify maximum amount for low value assets. Specify maximum amount for low value assets. Specify maximum amount for low value asset. Select company code LTEL. Select company code LTEL. Click on amount for low value assets folder. Click amount for low value assets folder. Maintain Each depreciation area wise low value. Low value. LVA amount. Sir, example, if the asset value is 6,000, then only we'll consider as a LVA. Okay, if the asset value is 10,000, okay, from 1 to 10,000, I'm going to consider as a LVA asset, low value asset. Okay, that amount we have to specify here. Okay, example, I specified 9,000 rupees. 9,000 rupees. If you are trying to post 9,001 rupee, then that asset, it will not low value asset. It will not be low value asset. Okay, why? Because we specified low value amount maximum 9,000, and here it is exceeding the low value amount. Okay, this is a control. Maintain example 9,000, 9,000, 9,000. Purchase also 9,000. Low value amount. Purchase also maintain 9,000. So some currencies are euro. Okay, euro also you can maintain same. Otherwise, you can calculate conversion rate and maintain euro and SCD. Following, right? $9,000, $9,000. Save 9,000, 9,000. Save. Right, sir? We completed this step. Next one. Next one. Step number 9. Step number 9. Step number 9. Define screen layout for define screen layout. Define screen layout. Screen layout, field setup, fields setup for asset master data. Define screen layout, field setup for asset master data. Sir, in first step, okay, we created the screen layouts, and the screen layouts we assigned in asset class. Okay, asset class level we assign the screen layout, account determination code and numbering, right? Okay, we assigned 3 variants. Out of 3, this is the one variant, screen layout. What is the purpose of this screen variant? Based on screen variant, we can control the fields. Based on screen variant, okay, we can control the master data fields. Master data fields. Okay, now based on this field screen layout rule, we can set up the fields. Which field is required, which field is optional. Okay, that fields control. Define screen layout for screen layout, field setup for asset master data. Okay, path, asset accounting, master data, asset accounting, master data, screen layout, define screen layout for asset master data. Define screen layout for asset master data. Define screen layout for asset master data. Double click on define screen layout for asset master data. Define screen layout for asset master data. Define screen layout for asset master data. Select screen layout LT1 land. Select screen layout LT1 land. Click on logical field groups folder. Click on logical field groups folder. Observe the 19 master data tabs. 19 master data tabs. Select general data. Select general data. Click on field group rules folder. Click on field group rules folder. Select description 1 required. Select description 1 required. Select description 1 required. Units of measure required. Remaining other options select optional. Remaining other options select optional. Optional and select all checkboxes. Select all checkboxes. Select all checkboxes. Click on logical field groups folder. Click on logical field groups folder. Select second posting information. Select second posting information. Click on field group rules. Click on field group rules. Click on field group rules folder. Select all optional. Select all optional. Select all optional and select all checkboxes. Select all fields optional and all checkboxes. Right? So this is a simple fields control, master data level fields control, right? Click on logical field groups folder. Click on logical field groups folder. Select 3 time dependent data. Select 3 time dependent data. Click on field group rules folder. Click on field group rules folder. Select all fields optional. Select all fields optional and select all checkboxes. See. Click on logical field groups folder. Click on logical field groups folder. Select allocations. Select allocations. Click on field group rules folder. Click on field group rules folder. Select all fields optional. Select all fields optional. Select all checkboxes. Follow same process. Follow same process for screen layout. Follow same process for screen layout. LT2, LT3, LT4, LT5, LT6, LT7. Following, right? Whatever options you selected, same options select in other screen layout level also. Okay? Following, right? Whatever options you selected in LT1, same setup. Okay? Setup in other screen layout level. LT2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one. Next one. Define or assign. Define or assign asset history form. Define or assign asset history form. Define or assign asset history form. Path, asset accounting, information system, asset accounting information system. Define or assign forms. Define or assign forms. Define or assign forms. Click on assign asset class history sheet. Click on assign asset class to asset class to history sheet. Assign asset class to history sheet. What is our asset class? LTE1 to LTE7. Okay, assign LTE1 asset class to LTE7 asset class. History sheet layout FIA underscore F001. This is the format, sir. LTEL1 to LTEL7. Assign form FIAA underscore F001. Right? Sir, you understood, right? Yes, next one. We completed the configuration. Next one. End user area. End user area. End user area. End user area. First one. Asset master data creation. First one, asset master data creation. asset master data creation.